Hi, I am Vicente Celestial, a science teacher. But I know you want your children or students, while enjoying and learning in a science experiment or in science lesson, then create an experiment or enjoyment in a classroom. And that, I have some simple tricks or science experiments to you. And here are the materials. First, the butane. Second, a container. Third, a water, a lighter, and a dishwashing liquid. And now, I will show to you the procedure. First, try to make a simple bubble on the container with the dishwashing liquid. Then, in your hands, try to wet until at the upper part of your elbow so that if ever the fire will create, will not be burned. Then, after that, press the butane inside the container and some of the butane were trapped inside that bubble. After that, get some of it and look what will happen. Try to light, and that's it. And I hope you will share it to your learners so that simple experiment like that can make our learners learn at the same time they will enjoy. Thank you so much and thank you for watching. Bye!